In this video, we will be going over consecutive integer problems, and so let's begin. So we will do 3 problems together. The first problem is this: what are 5 consecutive integers where the total sum will equal 95? The second problem is: what are 4 consecutive odd integers where the total sum will equal 64? And the third problem is: what are 3 consecutive even integers where the total sum will equal 66? And so if you want to pause the video and attempt these problems, feel free. And so the first problem is asking, what are 5 consecutive integers where the total sum will equal 95? So the first thing that we need to think is, what is a consecutive integer? And you can kind of think like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That would be one example of consecutive numbers. But 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is equal to 15. We want our number to be 95. And so we will use variables. And so I can say the first integer will be x, the second will be x plus 1, third will be x plus 2, fourth will be x plus 3, and the fifth will be x plus 4, and it will equal 95. The total will equal 95. And so we would have 5x plus 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 3 is 6, 6 plus 4 is 10. So 5x plus 10 is equal to 95. And so we have 5x is equal to 85. And so x is 17. And we're dealing with consecutive integers. So the next term will be 18, 19, 20, 21. So these are the 5 consecutive integers that will equal 95. And you can always check. You can get a calculator and add 17 plus 18 plus 19 plus 20 plus 21, and you'll get 95. Now for the second problem. What are 4 consecutive odd integers where the total sum will equal 64? So what is a consecutive odd integer? An example could be 1, 3, 5, 7. 1 is odd, 3 is odd, 5 is odd, and 7 is odd. But in this case, 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 is equal to 16, not 64. And so again, we will use variables. The first term will be x, but in this case, the second term will be x plus 2. Think about it. This is 1 and this is 3. So 3 is bigger than 1 by 2. So the next term will be x plus 4, and x plus 6 is equal to 64. So we have 4x plus 2 plus 4 is 6. 6 plus 6 is 12. So plus 12 is equal to 64. So 4x is equal to 52. And so x is equal to 13. And so the 4 consecutive odd integers will be 13, 15, 17, and 19. And like always, if you don't believe it, you can always use a calculator and verify that this will equal 64. And now for the last problem. What are 3 consecutive even integers where the total sum will equal 66? And so what is a consecutive even integer? That could be like 2, 4, 6. 2 is even, 4 is even, and 6 is even. But in this case, 2 plus 4 plus 6 is equal to 12, not 66. And so we will use variables again. So it will be x plus 2 plus x plus 4. Think about it. If x is 2, then x plus 2 would be 4. So each term will be even. So x plus x is 3x. 2 plus 4 is 6 is equal to 66. So 3x is equal to 60, and then x is equal to 20. So our 3 consecutive odd integers, it would be 20, 22, 24, which would be 66. This one, you don't even need a calculator. 20 plus 22 is 42. 42 plus 24 is 66. And that's pretty much it for this video.